Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable battery saver on a Lenovo Ideapad 3E. And to do this, first we'll need to click right here where the Wi-Fi sound and battery is. Then you can find the battery saver and activate it. The other way to do it is to open a settings on your laptop by clicking on start and then settings right here. That way we should be able to enter our system, go for power and battery, and then there's a battery saver that you can adjust. So we can turn it on right now, switch when will it automatically turn on. In this case it's at 20%, or lower screen brightness when you're using auto battery saver. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.